I have to say are much better than the last time, even though it seems to be just as windy. Last year I attempted this hike with one of my girlfriends and it was snowing and gray, and even though it's still super windy today, at least it's a beautiful bluebird day and the sun is out. It's about 10 a.m. We're going to see how far we can make it. It's about a 4.5-mile hike up to Sky Pond. Like I said, I've never made it. The last time we only made it to the Loch, so I'm really excited to see how this is going to go today. Alright, we're off to Sky Pond.
Oh.
And the sun keeps setting behind the mountains. It's just going to get darker and darker. The valley we came up was already starting to get a little dark. So again, the elusive Sky Pond. Another day, Sky Pond. Hopefully attempt number 3. Third time will be the charm. One day. Here we go on the way down now. It's all downhill from here. We only made it to the Loch again, just like last time. Clocked in around 6.5 miles total for our hike. I think it took us about 4.5, like 5-ish hours or so. It was really beautiful, but the wind never stopped. It just did not let up the entire time. But another beautiful day in Rocky Mountain National Park.
Thank you.